Hi, welcome to my channel. I got a 2021 Ford Interceptor, and it's a police car. The locks are being damaged, and I'm going to replace with the new ones. Let's see how it goes. So look at the lock. They just put some screwdrivers or something and just damaged the lock. This is a police interceptor which I got it in an auction. So what I did, so here is how it works. Remove this, and there is a 5 mm socket, and just turn it around, and then this part comes off. Once this comes off, you can see this, the cylinder is messed up. Pull this out with the new one. Thank you. So I went to the junkyard and got 3 locks from different doors, and went to Kotran's and rekeyed all 3. So one can go in here, one can go on each side of the door. It's the best way to do it. If you go to the dealership, they will charge you almost like $500.